Did you know that you can now start your car using your smartphone? Visit our showroom or give us a call at 403-309-3535.
A contract welder at the gas plant when this guy called me from Calgary, and so I said I'll give her a try, and I headed in Calgary 3 days later, but I didn't sleep much. I started building model airplanes when I was a kid. My sister was really good at it too. It's a super hobby for an older guy. I can't understand guys my age. I'm 81, and I haven't got nothing to do. Well, I tell them, get a hobby and get off your butts and do something, you know.